Columbine. Thank you very much for the hearty welcome here. Bishop Topo has invited us, our little group, 4 girls, 2 boys and me, to come here to visit India and to learn to know the life of the church here. Today we may take part in this wonderful celebration. Yesterday we have been in a Franciscan eco-spiritual center, and there we sang a Franciscan song, the Canticle of the Sun. The Holy Francis has written this song, and the song says, Blessed be you, my Lord, by Brother Sun. He is beautiful and strong, a parable of you, the Most Highest. Blessed be you by Sister Moon and the stars. Blessed be you by Brother Wind, Brother Fire, Sister Water, and our Sister Mother Earth. Blessed be you, or be blessed, by all those who make peace, and by the men who are not afraid, even not afraid of death. That's the Canticle of Francis, Canticle of the Sun, and the sun in this song is part of the creation, but it is also something like a picture for God itself. And our best wishes for you is, may the love of God always be like the sunshine, and may good community, helpful, friendly and joyful community always be like the sunlight. Also our canticle of the sun for you. Laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, sei gepriesen, du hast die Welt erschaffen, sei gepriesen für Sonne, Mond und Sterne, sei gepriesen für Meer und Kontinente, sei gepriesen, wenn du bist, wunderbar, Herr, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, sei gepriesen, für Wolken, Wind und Regen, sei gepriesen, du lässt die Quellen springen, sei gepriesen, du lässt die Felder reifen, sei gepriesen, wenn du bist, wunderbar, Herr, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, sei gepriesen, du lässt die Vögel kreisen, sei gepriesen, wenn sie am Morgen singen, sei gepriesen für alle deine Tiere, sei gepriesen, wenn du bist, wunderbar, Herr, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Amen, Signore, laudato si. 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 Amen, Signore, laudato si.
Beautiful song. Thank you very much. Though we do not understand, but it was really melodious. Clap hands, clap hands. At the same time,